Hi guys, this is Mrs. Malloy. I want to show you how to get to your Google Classroom and access an activity off of DocHub. So if you click on the waffle up in the corner, um, it will take you to the option of Google Classroom. I'd like you, when you do this for the first time, to use the activity that I have posted in reading. So I'm going to click on the activity in similes today. And you can see all of you have a copy. I'm going to go to instructions first. And you see that sometimes it will be, well, it will always be listed as a PDF. What you're going to want to do is click on that first, and there is a bit of a glitch up here in this section of the screen. We should see something that says open with tab. If it doesn't appear, you're going to go over here to the three dots and we're going to open this activity in a new window. So when you open the activity in a new window, it will give you the option open with. And because so many families don't have access to a printer, and you have your Chromebooks, we want to be able to complete activities using the program called DocHub. So we're going to click on that, and I'm going to upload a separate video about how to download DocHub if you're not seeing it on your Chromebook. So as DocHub opens, you can see that the activity is going to be mentioned with my name, Simile 1. I'm going to take my cursor and I'm going to type the word final. Because this is the copy that's going to be submitted on Google Classroom. You have some different things up here that you can use to edit this. One of the things that I want you to get comfortable with is use the highlighter. Because certain questions you might not be able to X. You can see that the first activity is asking you to select the sentence that uses a simile to best describe what you see in the picture. So similes compare two things using like or as. So this is a simile right here. The girl was like a bump on a log in her car seat. It's comparing the girl to a bump on a log. But when I look at her, she doesn't look like she's boring at all. So when I look at option B, the girl was happy as a clam with her fun outfit. That also is a simile. It's comparing the girl to a clam using like or as. And it makes more sense. So if you look at C, it says the girl was as silly as a goat. She is silly, but I don't really know how a goat's silly, so I'm not going to pick that one. And the girl was a rock star. She certainly looks like a rock star, but when you say one thing is another, it is a metaphor. So that doesn't qualify as a simile. So I'm going to pick B, and all I did was I clicked the highlighter, I made a section, and it colors it in. So that way you can annotate to your teacher what that looks like. Down below, there's an activity where you can write a simile. I started one right here. The girl's hair was as bright as the sun. It's certainly bright orange. I can write a simile about the car seat. The car seat looks like that's not somewhere she wants to be. She wants to be out running around. So I'm going to add a text box here. And I'm going to type, the car seat was like a prison for the little girl. That's certainly an exaggeration, but I mean, she's really not moving when she's in that seat. The girl's glasses, they're very sassy. So I'm going to say the girl's glasses were like a sassy I don't know. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to have to make another video.